English book The Hawks and Their Friends Chapter 8 অসম জাতীয় বিদ্যালয়ৰ পাঠভিত্তিক ক্ৰিয়াকলাপৰ প্ৰশ্নোত্তৰসমূহ Answer Question No. 1 The following questions in complete sentence. Question No. A Where did the hawk family live? Answer The hawk family lived on a tree near a lake. Question B Who were there in the family? Answer There were a male hawk, a female hawk and their kids hawk in their family. Question C Whom did they make friends with? Answer The hawk family made friends with the lion, the kingfisher and the turtle. Question D Why called the hunters not sleep? Answer The hunters called not sleep because the flies and the mosquitoes disturb them. Question E With what the turtle put the fire out? Answer The turtle put out the fire with mud. Question নং 2 দিয়া আছে এ অংশৰ লগত বি অংশ মিলোৱা আপোনালোকে এ অংশৰ লগত বি অংশ বাক্যকেইটা মিলাই ল'ব এ অংশৰ লগত বি অংশ বাক্যকেইটাৰ আনসাৰসমূহ ইয়াত মই দি দিছোঁ Question নং 3 Write whether the following statements are true or false. A long sentence The hawk family lived in a village. Answer false. B long sentence The hunters were not able to find anything till night. Answer true. C long sentence The bees and snakes disturbed the hunters. Answer false. D long sentence The male hawks at first flew at the kingfisher for help. Answer true. E long sentence The hunters decided to catch the young hawks for their breakfast. Answer true. Activity 1 Fill in the blanks to make the sentence negative. A long sentence The pen is red. Answer The pen is not red. B long sentence The students are reading. Answer The students are not reading. C long sentence They went to Delhi last year. They went to not Delhi last year. D long sentence My friends play football. Answer My friends don't play football. Answer Bakul does not draw beautiful picture. Thank you my প্রিয় দর্শকসকল